take out the machine and its accessories. Fix the holders on the machine. There are two spare fuses which can replace the broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with the spare one. Install filter. There are 4 small rubber cells and 2 large rubber cells on the filter, which can be replaced with spare ones when necessary. Please note, install the filter correctly. If it's not inserted fully into the hole, air may get in and there will be no vacuum. Connect the phase RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the bio handpiece to the machine. Connect the hot and cold handpiece to the machine. Connect the body RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the vacuum and RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the 40K handpiece to the machine. Connect the skin scrubber to the machine. Put all the handpieces into corresponding holders. Connect the power cord to the socket of the machine. Press power switch to get the machine started. And then the function selection interface will appear. Choose function based on your needs. Press 40K function button. Set parameters. Time range 0 to 60 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. Energy range 0 to 10, 3 to 7 is recommended. Constant working mode is recommended. Mode selection. Constant working mode, suitable for those who have thick fat accumulation. Discontinuous working mode, suitable for those who have fat on some areas and want to shape body. Apply dedicated gel evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Please note, make sure there are no metal objects like ornaments on the treatment receiver. People who have metal implants in their body should not take the treatment. This treatment should not be performed on heart and bones, so no treatment on back and chest. Press vacuum and RF function button. Set parameters. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 Alice level is recommended. Lower mode for RF function is recommended. Suction time range 0 to 2. 0.4 to 1.5 is recommended. Release time range 0 to 2. 0.1 to 1 is recommended. Apply RF cream evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. There is a knob for adjusting suction level on the top of the machine. You can use it based on individual endurance during the treatment. Turning it clockwise is to increase suction, and turning it anti-clockwise is to decrease suction. Please note, suction time should be always longer than release time during treatment. When release time is 0, the handpiece is at status of constant suction. Press body RF function button. Set parameters. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. 37 NS level is recommended. NOR mode is recommended. Mode selection. NOR, fixed mode. The red light goes on and the energy of the handpiece directly reaches preset level after the start button is pressed. Pro, smart mode. The red light goes on and the energy of the handpiece slowly reaches preset level after the start button is pressed and the handpiece touches skin. Apply RF cream evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Press Phase RF function button. Set parameters. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. NOR mode is recommended. Apply RF cream evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Choose hot and cold function. Set parameters. 5 to 10 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. 2 working modes available, cold mode and hot mode. Apply dedicated gel or face essence evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Press Bio function button. Set parameters. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. Mode 1 is recommended. Mode 1 is constant working mode, suitable for those with dry, rough, and dark-toned skin. Mode 2 is discontinuous working mode, suitable for first-time users. Apply dedicated gel or face essence evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Choose Skin Scrubber function. Set parameters. 5 to 10 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. Working mode. Constant vibration. Constant vibration. Suitable for those with large blocked pores and rough skin. Discontinuous vibration. Suitable for those with sensitive skin or dry skin. Press button to begin the treatment. Keep face moisturized during treatment. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Sanitize handpieces for the next time use.